Hi guys, what's good? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae. Oh right, I feel like I said the same damn intro every single time, but I am on my way to Beverly Hills right now. I have a meeting and a shoot with my favorite people ever, Laser Away. Also, side note, I finally bought a new tumbler from Starbucks, guys. I don't like to buy a lot of these because I don't like to hoard things in my apartment, so I only have 2 grandes and then 2 ventis, and that's it. I like having these because I like to bring them down to the pool and stuff with me, and obviously to make coffees and stuff at home. So I saw this one come out last year and I was obsessed with it. I kept looking at it every time I was at Starbucks and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, until one day I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get it, and I go and it's not there anymore. So they finally brought it back and I picked it up. I'm so obsessed. It's like a tortoise shell, and it's kind of hard to tell on here, but it's kind of translucent, and the lid is like a matte black, but it's also translucent. So it's very chic, very fall, and very cute. So if you see it, go get it. It's my favorite one that I have right now. So I just thought I would give that a mention if you guys are looking for some cute new like travel cups and stuff like that. I don't use these for water because I drink so much water. This is like 2 sips and it's gone. But for lattes and stuff like that, it's perfect. Adult juice, all that good stuff, it's great. But I'm almost at my appointment. It starts in about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'll probably show you guys with the numbing cream on, since I'll have to sit with it on for some time, probably before they start shooting and stuff. So I'm excited. I gotta get that coffee in my body so I can wake up a little bit. I'm super excited. I think my main concerns really for my skin is texture and then the hyperpigmentation. So always working on that. You dolls know I've been on my skincare journey for about a year and a couple months, since June of last year when I got my first chemical peel, and it has been crazy. And I say that in like the best way possible because I actually found something that's been working for me. And for those of my dolls that have struggled with acne and acne scars, it's stressful, it really is. And then being stressed does not help your situation because then it causes more breakouts in the process. So for me, like, it's just been a beautiful journey of actually seeing results. And you know, I look forward to getting facials and treatments, and I just feel good every single time that I leave a treatment. You know, like, self-care is so important, right? I always talk about how you have to take time for yourself to be the best version of yourself, and I'm gonna keep telling you guys that because that's what I stand by. So I'm super excited to shoot with them. I'm not probably gonna film the process for my channel because they are professionally gonna shoot it for their social media. So definitely go give them a follow because they're hooking your girl up today, and they're gonna post it on their Instagram or maybe their YouTube, I'm not really sure. But I'm excited now. I've done the Clear and Brilliant before, and I might have vlogged it, but guys, that was before I even began my skincare journey. So at that time, I remember having a lot of active acne, and this is not really for active acne. I have a lot of it. I had a ton of deep, dark hyperpigmentation on my face. Like, if I even go back to last summer and watch the first video that I got my first chemical peel, my skin was terrible. And I think I was just in a place where I got used to the way that I looked, and I was forced in a sense to be okay with the pigmentation because I thought that was it. Like, I've literally tried everything under the sun, nothing would have fixed my issue, it just kept getting worse, and I just became numb to the entire thing. Like, I had to accept it for how it was. And after that, like, I've actually seen a huge, you can tell in my videos, like, just looking at my skin, this area is my issue. The cheeks, my forehead has always been so clear, God bless, but this area is very hormonal, right? And I definitely have some hormonal imbalancing going on, which I've been working hard to fix. When you look back at those old videos, you can see the texture in my skin was terrible. You can see my pigmentation was literally everywhere. So to see where my skin began last year and where I'm at now, I am obsessed. Like, I love being makeup free. I have no makeup on right now, you know? I have to say I'm about to get my period, so, you know, she as an Aunt Flo is about to bless me with some breakouts, which I have a little bit under the surface of my skin. Not too many, it's not terrible, but you know, it's just hard being a woman, you know, with all these hormones that we have going on. So anyways, I'm just super excited to get this treatment done now, like a few years later, now that I've actually cleared up my acne and I've seen a lot of progress with the things that I've been doing and currently am doing, the skincare products that I'm using, just to see what else I can do, like what is it gonna do for me. And I'm just really excited for, again, the texture benefits, like having fresh new skin. You're basically gonna be super sandpapery. Like I remember my skin feeling so dry and rough like sandpaper for like 7 days. I think it takes 5 to like 10 days, they say, for the dead skin to flake off and exfoliate itself off after getting the treatment done. So it's not crazy like painful. I don't remember it ever hurting, just because I get laser treatments already for hair removal and stuff, so I'm kind of used to it. My tolerance is pretty high. I have a lot of tattoos, all that good stuff. So I'm used to the pain of like lasers hitting my skin. But I just want her to go in, and I just want her to like kill all of the texture and the hyperpigmentation that I have. Skirt, we got places to be out here, guys. We got places to be. But yeah. Oh, also, I'm gonna take it pretty easy. I'm gonna tell you guys this because I've already read about it and I've had experience with this before, in case you guys are curious and you know you want to get it done. The downtime is not bad. Like I said, your skin will just feel really rough, and you don't want to be in the sun because you're gonna have fresh skin. You know, you're putting your skin through trauma, basically creating like micro tears with the laser. So sunscreen is a must, even on a daily basis. Sunscreen is a must, and I've learned that. I am like a crazy SPF person now. I like, even for my body, my face, all that stuff. So I'll link my favorite sun care SPF products in the description box for you guys, because I swear by the Cooler brand. Also, no working out for like 2 days or so, so I'm just gonna come home after my appointment and just kind of edit in bed. Basically, that sounds so great. Light a candle, make some tea or something, eat some leftovers.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
This is today's office, guys. Guys, I'm out here with numbing cream to pay the meter. So I just got back from the meter, as I told you guys. I'm getting really numb right now. Like my lip, my upper lip is numb. But it's been fun. We've been shooting some content for like Instagram and doing some cute boomerangs and stuff. And I'm excited to get the facial done. I almost did it without the numbing cream because honestly my pain tolerance is very high. And I'm thinking that I want to do tattoo removal. Is that too much? Have you guys ever tried tattoo removal? I heard it's super painful, so I might be getting one of my tattoos, or a few of them, removed. I have like 11 or 12 or 10. I don't know how many tattoos I have, honestly, but I've been thinking about getting rid of a few of them. This one, I don't like this one. I just have not been able to go get it fixed, to have someone who does finger tattoos. So I don't know if I should remove it or not. The struggles, but I'm gonna wait for this numbing cream to kick in fully, and we're gonna get this cracking. All right, they're gonna be able to get a tripod for me so you guys can see the process. I'm so excited, I'm so numb. Wow, you can't even see the numbing cream in this. All right, guys, I'm getting my numbing cream wiped off by Miss Corey.
Hi, guys.
She's my favorite, guys. I watch her all the time on social. We're about to get this Clear and Brilliant treatment.
Kayla, so part of your skincare journey, like what, is this like an actual new thing, or did you just drop that today when we were just talking about it in the show?
No, I have to send you before and afters. It's so embarrassing, but I used to have like all hyperpigmentation here on both of my cheeks.
Okay.
So last summer I started doing chemical peels every month, and that basically got rid of like a lot of the texture. And I did this treatment before my skin was like under control, and I didn't even notice the difference because it was so much like active stuff going on. So that's why I'm so excited to see what it's gonna do now.
Here we go, 1, 2, and 3. So the first couple passes are gonna be really easy, and then it's going to kind of get warmer and warmer the more passes I do.
Alrighty guys, I am looking crazy. My hair is just not doing what I wanted to do because I had washed it this morning. So I just left Laserway. Shout out to them guys. I was literally an Instagram model for the day. This is like a day in the life of social media influencer. That was so much fun. I am now leaving. What time did I get here? 1 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock right now. And I'm a little bit red. I don't know if you can see. Tingly. It feels like my face is throbbing. I had numbing cream on, as you guys saw, and then I had a few passes of the laser treatment going over my face for the Clear and Brilliant. It was just a different experience. Usually when I collab with them, I'm filming all my videos kind of like how I took you along with me today. I didn't have to do that, but I wanted you to see the process because hashtag skincare journey. But they were filming me this time, so it was a complete different vibe, and I am here for that. I think I'm definitely going to schedule a shoot with them to get some tattoo removals, so stay tuned for that. But I need to get my butt out of here, but there's a big old truck. Big old truck is in my way. I really wanted to show you guys the process because I'm on my hashtag skincare journey, and this is just another thing, a part of it. So right now my face is throbbing. You can tell very clearly on camera. It's very red. It almost looks like a sunburn or something. And maybe you could have heard the audio. I'll try to include it in here. It just kind of sounded like zaps. And that's what it was, basically just a few passes of the laser going over, you know, my problemed areas. And I'm so excited to see the results from it now that I'm doing it with, you know, clearer skin versus where I started this a couple years ago with a lot of inflamed acne. Do not do this if you have a lot of inflamed acne. It'll definitely spread bacteria and just irritate your skin, and it's not going to do much, but probably make it worse. So I'm just really excited for the results. So this is basically gonna be where I'm gonna be today, in bed. I'm gonna do some editing here in a bit, but I just heated up some leftovers. Guys, I attempted to make Chinese food at home last night, so this is what I had left over from that. So stay tuned for Cook With Me. You guys are gonna be along the process while I attempt to make this meal. So yeah, I'm gonna do some work, probably watch something on Netflix and try to relax. Excuse me, sir. Oh man, because this is what your girl is looking like. Now, the numbing cream wore off towards the end of the treatment, so I started to feel it a lot more than I would have liked to. I'm just looking pretty sunburned at the moment, and I can feel that my lips are still a little bit numb from the numbing cream, which is interesting. And my face feels kind of spicy, like I took jalapeno pepper juice and rubbed it all over my face. Like, that's the best way I can describe it. It feels a little swollen and like pulsy. So I'm not gonna go to the gym. I don't wanna sweat, I don't wanna work out, I don't wanna be out in the sun because it will definitely irritate my skin. You can see how red I am in comparison to the areas that she didn't treat, like my eyes. So that's why I'm gonna be in the bed, editing away, watching some Netflix. Look at my child. Why are you so crazy? Why is the baby so crazy? Oh man. But I do have to say that I am so excited for the results. I cannot wait for the next like 5 days, 5 to 10 days for the skin to flake off, like the dead skin, because it's going to be very dry and sandpapery until everything is kind of complete. Oh no, don't eat my Chinese. Nope. Oh, they coming to get ya. That's just gonna be a little update. You get off my bed. Thank you so much. That's just a little update for you dolls. It's just been about an hour and a half. I literally just got home, so I just wanted to kind of conclude this video, and I will definitely be back with updates throughout the next week or so to let you know how it's going. I am not planning on wearing makeup, although she said after today, like 24 hours, I could wear makeup, but I really don't want to add, you know, chemicals and product and stuff to my skin, especially after my pores being kind of opened up. But yeah, I always prefer not to do makeup for a while until it's kind of healed all of the way. But do what you do. I understand if you have to go places and you don't want to be seen looking like a tomato, then a little bit of coverage is always nice, but I really don't mind looking like this until it heals. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. I got to be an Instagram model for the day and got to try out something that'll give me some fun results in the end. So until next time, I will see you guys in my next vlog. If you want that Chinese cook with me recipe, stay tuned. It's coming after this video, or if it's already up on the channel. I don't know which order I'm putting videos up in, but regardless, subscribe, click the post notification bell next to it so you dolls never miss a post. Go get you some doll merch. The link is always down below. Rep the doll gang all day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!